Mom, what have you done?
Now take your bag and get out of my house. Look at his emotions. He should have died already. I don't know how he can still stand. It must be so painful. So kids, choose your lunch. Give me corn! Devin, get out of this line. You have no emotions to pay. Guys, today you'll have to pay the university.
Can I pay later?
Nope, you'll have to leave. Why are you here? I thought I kicked you out of my house.
You said you're not my real mother, so who is?
So she didn't tell you anything?
She said they were evil, so she had to raise me.
Jeez, come on, let's go to my house. Here, I'm gonna make some coffee. Breaking news, the son of the president and the emotion ruler was kidnapped when he was a kid.
That kid's an idiot.
Today's your last day, you must leave. Guys, the president is here, we must proceed to the main hall. After this meeting, you gotta get out of here. As many as you know, the son of the president was kidnapped. In order to find them, the president will add a couple emotions to their meter. If you get them, please inform us. Damn, I really thought you were gonna be his son.
Same.
Devin?
Katie, where have you been?
I was searching for your father. Son, is that really you?
Dad?